Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. On my channel, I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice, to help you live your best life. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. My beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, I have recently launched a new YouTube channel where I will be sharing fashion content from around the world. On my channel, you will get to see the latest fashion trends and style from American women, French woman, English woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. I would love for you to join me on this fashion journey and subscribe to my channel. By subscribing, you will get to see new content every day, including fashion tips, trends, reports and style inspiration from women of all ages and backgrounds. So if you are passionate about fashion as I am, be sure to subscribe to Mother Fashion today. Let's explore the world of fashion together. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, today we are talking about one of the most stylish royal skate Middleton. From elegant gowns to chic everyday outfits, Kate's fashion sense is always on point. Let's dive in and explore some of her most iconic looks. Who can forget Kate's stunning wedding dresses designed by Sarah Burton for Alexander McQueen? This lace gown is a masterpiece. And let's not forget her iconic and red carpet looks, like this gorgeous Jenny Peckham gown, and Kate's dresses are always a hit, and we cannot get enough of them. But Kate's style is not just limited to formal events. Her everyday outfits are always chic and relatable. From classic trench coats to stylish knickers, Kate's wardrobe staples are must-have for any fashion lover. And the best part, you can recreate her looks without breaking the bank. So where you can find dresses like Kate's, from high-end designer like Alexander McQueen to affordable options like Zara and H&M. There is something for every budget. And don't forget to check out online retailers like Netta, Porter and ASOS for a wide range of stylish options. Thanks for watching, Slavius. If you are new here, to consider subscribing to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content. I upload new videos every day, from fashion tips and trends to product reviews and haul. And if you have any question for future videos, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, from her stunning wedding dresses to her chic everyday outfits, Kate's fashion sense is always on a point. In this detailed video, we will dive into some of her most memorable looks and show you where to find similar dresses and outfits. Whether you are a royal fan or a just fashion lover, you won't want to miss this video. So please subscribe to Mother Fashion for more fashion and beauty content, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. So let us know in the comments below, what do you like to see next. Feel free to customize it as per your preference. My beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, I request all of you, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends, and join me as we delve into the stunning fashion world of Princess Kate Middleton, the Catherine. From her show-stopping gowns to her chic everyday looks, we are covering it all. The good, the bad and the breathtaking. Hairstyle that impress and some that miss. Makeup looks that radiate royalty, shoe choice that leave us speechless. And of course, we cannot forget about her dashing husband Prince William, and how does he support her fashion. In this video, we are exploring Princess Catherine's extensive fashion collection, highlighting her most memorable moments, and even venturing into some of her not so regal choice. Yes, they happen even to royalty. So sit back, relax and get ready to include in some royal fashion inspiration. From her iconic wedding dresses to her latest public appearance, we are analyzing every detail for fashion choice. Red carpet gowns that stun and spark daytime look that are both stylish and practical. Even her athletic wear is on point. But what about those fashion moments that did not quite hit the mark? We will discuss the fashion risks she scared and whether they paid off. And how does she use fashion to support British designers and brands. Plus, we will examine how her style has evolved over the years, from the early days as a Kate Middleton to her current status as a Princess Catherine. We will also look at how she balances high-end designer pieces with more affordable options, and the result is a wardrobe that's both aspirational and retailable. Of course, no conversation about Princess Catherine's fashion would be complete without mentioning her signature hairstyle. That infamous Kate Middleton blonde has been recreated by women around the world. But we will also explore some of her other hair movements, the good, the bad, and the what was she thinking. And then there is her makeup style, always polished and put together. We will break down her go-to look and share some tips on how to recreate them at home. Now let's talk shoes from sky high heels to chic flats. We will see which style she favors and how she used them to elevate her outfits. But fashion is not just about the clothes, it's also about the confidence and the poise with which you wear them. And Princess Catherine has that in spades. So get ready for a fashion masterclass with Princess Catherine as our inspiration. We will learn how to create our own reality worth looks without breaking the bank. And we will have some fun along the way because fashion is all about expressing yourself and enjoying the ride. So my beautiful viewers, thanks for joining me on this royal fashion adventure. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more fashion content. Let me know if you like this. And my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of videos do you like in future. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. And I request all of you again, please subscribe my YouTube channel and join us as we explore the life of Princess Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge, and her loving family. So in this video we will delve into her loving relationship with Prince William and their adorable children, Princess George, Princess Charlotte and Princess Louise, her favorite hobbies and interests from sports to arts and music. Her favorite hobbies and interests from sports to arts and music. Her stylish and elegant fashion sense from royal engagements to casual outings. Her dedication to philanthropy and charitable causes, making a positive impact on the world. Her lifestyle and how she balanced royal duties with family life. Her favorite food. Yes, we will relive what the princess loved to eat and cook for her family. How she spent her time at home with her family, from cozy movies nights to fun activities with the kids, from office daily events to playful moments with her kids. We will take a closer look at Princess Catherine's life in this spotlighting. So please subscribe to our channel for more royal content and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Princess Catherine's favorite food is a classic British dish, and we will relive what it is and how she likes to cook with her family. When she is not at office royal events, Princess Catherine loves to spend time at home with her family, whether that's having a cozy movie night or a playing with the kids. We will take a peek into Princess Catherine's home life and see how she balances royal duties with family time. From cooking and baking to playing with the kids and watching movies, we will explore how Princess Catherine spent her downtime at home. Princess Catherine is known for her love of sports, and we will see how she incorporates physical activity into her daily routine. even with a busy royal schedule. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you again, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So my beautiful viewers, she is a busy royal, but she always makes time for her family and her favorite hobbies. Princess Catherine's favorite hobbies include sports, art and music. She is a talented artist and enjoys painting and drawing in her spare time. Princess Catherine's love of sport is well known and she is often seen at tennis and derby matches. She is a dedicated philanthropist and supports many charitable causes. Princess Catherine's dedication to her royal duties is inspiration, and we will examine her most notable engagements. She is a fashion icon and always looks stunning at office events. Princess Catherine's style is elegant and sophisticated, and we will analyze her fashion choices. From formal gowns to casual outfits, Princess Catherine always looks chic and stylish. She is a role model for women around the world, and we will explore her inspiring story. Princess Catherine's life is a balancing act between royal duties and family life. She is a devoted mother and a wife, and her family always comes first. We will take a closer look at Princess Catherine's daily routine and see how she manages her busy schedule. From office to events to playful moments with her kids, and we will examine Princess Catherine's life in the spotlight. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you again, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. And my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So my beautiful viewers, join us as we explore the hairstyles and photography life of one of the most beloved royal women, Princess Catherine. In this video, we will delve into her iconic hairstyle and how she achieved them, her favorite photography spots and tips, her most stunning photography moments and how to create them. From her wedding day to her latest royal engagements, we will examine the hairstyle and photography choices that make Princess Catherine a global style icon. So subscribe to our channel for more royal content and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Princess Catherine's hairstyle are always on point, and we will show you how to achieve her signature looks. Her photography life is a true inspiration, and we will explore her favorite spots and tips for capturing stunning photos. From candid moments to formal portraits, we will examine Princess Catherine's most stunning photography moments and how to recreate them. So Princess Catherine's hairstyle are a perfect blend of classic and modern, making her a role model for women around the world. Her photography life is a true reflection of her love for art and capturing moments. We will take a closer look at her favorite photography spots and share some tips on how to capture stunning photos like her. So sit back, relax and enjoy this video and all about Princess Catherine's hairstyle and photography life. So we will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.